Hello everybody. So what I have here is a Brother SE400 embroidery and sewing machine. Now the problems that the sewing machine is having is that the needle keeps striking the needle plate. Now I can take and press the foot back, aligning the hole in the presser foot with the hole in the needle plate, and the needle will go in. However, the pressure from the feed dogs will move the presser foot back out of line. You can see the play in the presser foot. Now, after looking over the machine, I ended up removing this top cover with just loosening this one screw here. Now, on the back of the machine, there is a screw that lines up with the presser foot and the pole that the presser foot is on right here. Now the problem is that this screw is loose and it allows the presser foot to move with the feed dogs. So in order to solve this problem, what you do is align the hole in the presser foot with the hole in the needle plate. Once you have done that, you can turn your hand wheel forward until the needle is down and adjust the presser foot so that the needle clears the plate. Once you have that where you want it, you come back and take a Phillips head screwdriver and tighten the screw. Now I will press the presser foot. As you can see, we have no more hitting on the needle plate. Alright, so if you have a Brother sewing machine, electronic should be similar, even if it's not the exact same model. But if you're having that issue of the presser foot, of the needle hitting the needle plate, this is probably your issue. Alright, if this video has helped, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back with you. Thanks and have a great day.